Hey everyone, Dave Moorhead here with another great vegan recipe for you. Today we're going to be making Hispanic or Spanish rice. Yes, I love this recipe. My niece, she always makes this for our family get-togethers like Christmas and Thanksgiving, and we all end up fighting over it because we absolutely love it. And we always hope that she makes so much that we get to take some home with us. And I had to learn how to make this, so I went online to see if I could find an easy recipe. And I found a great recipe by the phenomenal Veggie Rose. Let's hear it from Veggie Rose. Yes, I tried it and it came out very similar to what my niece makes, so I absolutely love it. And I hope you're going to love this recipe too. I just modified it just a little bit because I like pigeon peas, so I put a whole can in instead of a half a can. But basically, this is the Veggie Rose recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. I will also put the ingredients down below the video. In a large heavy bottom pot on high heat, add olive oil, bell pepper, and onion. Cook until the onions become translucent. This step is optional and not shown in the video. Make a space in the middle of the pan and add 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook until fragrant, about 1 minute. You can also add a pinch of salt and some black pepper at this stage. Add in the veggie stock along with the rest of the ingredients, except the rice, and bring water to a boil. If you don't have veggie stock, you can use 4 cups of water mixed with 4 teaspoons of better than bouillon vegetable base. Once stock is boiling, quickly add in the rice, stir, lower heat to medium, and cover with the lid slightly ajar to prevent overboiling. Don't close the lid completely, leave a little space to let some air escape. Once the water has evaporated almost completely, with just a tiny bit of water bubbling around the edges, flip rice and lower heat to low. Cover completely with lid and allow to cook for 15 minutes. Flip rice again and cook with lid fully closed for one last set of 15 minutes. Flip one last time and serve along with your favorite Hispanic Spanish side dish or eat alone with avocado. Congrats, you just made vegan Spanish/Hispanic rice! Delicious! If you like this recipe and you want to be notified when I make a new video, please like and subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you and bon appetit.